Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and in this video we have another watch unboxing. No, it's not a pair of shoes, it's just the box it came in. This watch was lent in by Art, who has been very kind to lend in quite a few watches to this channel. Also, Bobby Legs and Chris from the Watch Lounge have also benefited from his generosity. And I think I'm sending this one actually off to Random Rob next. So, sorry, the box is quite large, so I'm opening it off to the side here. This should be a Damasko DA37, I believe. I guess I opened that box up upside down, but so cardboard outer box, and then they come. All the ones I've seen come in this nice lacquered box. I've had my hands on. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I think this is the fourth one I've opened up. Sorry, the fourth one I've had on the channel here. Yes. Man, I really like these Damasko watches. I believe this is 39 or 40 millimeter case width. I'll go into the full specs in the review. I was looking at buying I think it's the DA42 or DA44. It basically has the same dial, but it has I think it was an orange second hand, and then it has a bezel too. This should be a full lume dial. Sorry, my desk is a bit of a mess. I don't know what I did with my... Oh, here it is. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's so cool looking. Got some daylight, full lume dial going on after blasting it with the UV flashlight. So this is the ice hardened steel. Has these ETA 2824 movement. Of course, they modified it because the day and the date is kind of offset down a little bit. The dial still looks green. That's pretty cool. Very legible with the black on white. Now I have it's essentially a DA36, but it's a special version of the DA36 called the DB5. So I'll compare these in the video as well. Man, these Damaskos are very, very. I really like these watches. The German on the case back here. Edelstahl there, that's stainless steel. Stossitcher, that's shock resistant. So anyway, then made in Germany. And right there it should say DA37. So this is number 869. They're actually not making these anymore. They've actually, I'm sorry, they are still making these. I was thinking of the DS30, which has been upgraded with the new movement, and I believe these will be upgraded as well. Just a great everyday watch. You could wear this thing for years and it'd probably not show any signs of wear with this ice hardened case. So let me get this on wrist, and we'll close out the video. I already showed you guys the daytime lume. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist. I could probably cinch it down maybe a little bit more, but now let's see. I don't want to ruin this strap. We'll just call it good there. So again, I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and I forgot the lug-to-lug measurement, but we'll go over all that in the full review. Just a quick little video here today, checking out this Damasko DA37 full lume dial, day and date. Such a great watch. I know the lug width is 20. And these Damaskos, I don't know if you noticed, but it has a little flap underneath the buckle here, so you don't feel this metal buckle on your skin. Sorry, I should have showed you the far away zoom picture. So there we go. All right, I think that will do it for this video. As always, thank you for watching, and catch you on the next one.